Morning, guys. Just to add up on the phishing discussion we had earlier. So, someone sent a mail to me, and obviously, it's from the person is trying to direct me to a dating site. Okay, and that's the mail down here, the one that said HTTP online date.baby chat page Jennifer 195. First of all, you could see that the link is not, the HTTP is not protected. It's using HTTP, not HTTPS. Okay, so that is why, as security professionals, you need to be smart to to decode stuff. Even if you're not smart, there are technologies in place today to help you do the smart work. So the HTTP, the protocol it's using is not secured. That's number one. And I copied the link. I didn't load it. I had to copy it. Copy link, then go straight to uh, Virus Total. Virus Total is like a threat intelligence application that helps you to do a lot of fine things. So we're going to find out what it does today. So virustotal.com. Once you go to virustotal.com, you could check the integrity of a file. You could also check the integrity of a URL, which is what we're going to do now. We're also gonna search some stuff. So it's like a threat intelligence. Threat intelligence is where you find information about threats, recent and former ones. So we are going to check this link that this lady sent, or this threat actor sent. So by the time we push the enter, it loads. It's going to give us a score of how legible or legitimate the link the threat actor sent, and also more importantly, um, what happens in the link mostly. So we're going to see that in a while now. Okay, we already seen red everywhere. 5 over 97, 5 over 97 security vendors flagged this URL as malicious. Okay, let's take a deep dive about it. First of all, the status 200. Okay, content type is text stroke HTML. And then when we go to the details, we'll see Alpha Mountain AI phishing. This is a phishing link. Bit Defender, also a malware. CY Radar, Fortinet. So you could see now for every other checklist, it is clean, but these particular ones is very malicious. So when we go to detail, on the detail interface, you could see the categories it is in. You can also see the HTTP response, the final URL where it is actually redirecting to. So that link that you see that is sent to you is not where it's going to. It is redirecting to another place, which you could see here under the final URL. Okay, then the IP address, the status, the body length, the body what's it called, secure hash 256. This is like encryption hash number. Then when you look at the connection, it says keep alive. So the connection is meant, if it hooks you, it keeps that connection alive, meaning even if you log off and log in or switch off your system, you will also be connected to him, so him or her. So you find out all these details. Now redirection chain, which is the last one, is the one it's sent to you, the one that looks legitimate that is sent to you, but actually it is going to a final URL. So when I got this morning, I was like, okay, this is boom, this came at the right time. Let me use it and explain this. So before you click any suspicious link, come to Virus Total and check it out. And there are some other what's it called, threat intelligence platform that you could also use to check out legitimacy of all this stuff. So thank you very much, guys. I love what you guys are doing. Keep doing the good work. For those doing the ISC2 that want to sit for the ISC2 examination, you're gonna read hard, man, and do so many practice questions so you could keep up to the trend.